Hi, I'm Logan with Betenbough Homes, and today we're going to be talking about what to do if you suspect you have a gas leak. First of all, if you feel unsafe, please get outside the home and get to a safe place. There are two places inside the home where you can cut off the gas supply. One of them is inside your HVAC closet, where you have two shutoff valves. One goes to your heater and one goes to your water heater. You turn those 90 degrees to be perpendicular to the supply line that cuts it off. And then turn that 90 degrees back to be parallel to turn it back on. Outside the home, we also have two locations to cut off the gas supply. One is before the meter and one is after the gas meter. To turn the supply off, turn it 90 degrees so those holes line up, and that will turn it off. To turn it back on again, turn it the other 90 degrees to where your supply line is parallel with the valve. If you suspect you have a gas leak, go ahead and turn the gas off to the home and then call Atmos at their customer service number, and we'll provide that number in the description below. If you liked today's video, feel free to like and subscribe to our channel. And if you'd like to leave a comment or have a question, or if you'd like to request a video in the future, leave a comment down below.